Hi everyone, it's Darla. Look, the tint on my glasses works really well. I just came in from outside. So, just wanted to show you the hat. I completed it last night. This is the one I did the double crochet, single crochet, and back loop, only single crochet. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I like it. It's just, I don't know, nothing really fancy. So that one's done, and then I started another one last night, and this one is by the Canadian Crocheter, Debbie. I'll put the link to her tutorial in the description box. But this is hers, where she has the front loop double crochet posts. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, so it has this little design on the top. It runs like that. And then when you get down to the straightaway, it you do front post double crochet in all of them. And then I did, like she did on hers, I did a half double crochet for the brim. Yeah, so I think it turned out pretty nice. So that's hat number 3. So, I just wanted to give you an update on our brother-in-law. I got a message from my hubby's sister, not the one that's married to Brad, but a different one. She asked if I learned the new news, and it's not good. He the chemo is not working, and they've given him a week to 2 weeks. He's being tube fed. So that's the update. I told her continue praying for a miracle. And, you know, I'm so glad that he's saved. I'm so thankful to God that he's saved, because if he's not healed here on earth, he'll be healed in heaven. But, you know, I'm still praying for a miracle.